Every quarter tells a story, not of pages, but of progress. In 2025, Avinash Group did not just grow, it delivered. New clubs, new energy, new skylines ready to welcome families home. The future of real estate is not in metros, it is in cities like Raipur, where purpose-driven living is just beginning. Because what we build inside people outlasts every structure we raise outside. Where new beginnings take shape, from luxury towers to premium plots, Avinash Group continues to shape the horizon. And rising quietly in Naya Raipur, 75 acres of forest, water and sky. Avinash Upvan. Live timeless, live refined. This is the Avinash Group. A reflection of trust, a celebration of progress, a relation for life.